Advocate Nelson Chamisa vadzoka zvekare vane imwe nyaya yavauya vakabata vachitaura kuti Zimbabwe story must change. So ndakatarisa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe panapa vakutaura kuti Zimbabwe story must change. Zimbabwe is everything. Recently, a businessman and Zimbabwean citizen shared with me a disturbing insight from their trip to Ivory Coast. While en route to Belgrade Beach Resort in Abidjan, they passed through a fishing slum community. This area, dirty, chaotic, and disorganized, was in a sharp contrast to other developed parts of the city. Shockingly, the tour guide revealed that this slum was named Zimbabwe. The touring citizen inquired the origins and significance of the name, unknown to the guide that a Zimbabwean was part of the touring party. The tour guide explained that the name of Zimbabwe symbolized the disorder, chaos, and filth that pervades the area. This revelation reflects the painful perception of our beloved country to others elsewhere, even from the African continent. This is despite Zimbabwe being home to the largest lithium deposit in Africa and many other sought-after mineral resources. Such a harsh reality goes to show how broken politics and rigged, disputed, and illegal elections have cast as long shadow on our beautiful nation. The Zimbabwean story will change. We will reclaim and transform the Zimbabwean story into one of pride, transformation, opportunities, and prosperity. Hashtag change is good. Hashtag one people. Ndo mashoko abuya na Advocate Nelson Chamisa varishitaura kuti panewo mumwe muzvina business mwana wemuZimbabwe akabuda akaenda ku Ivory Coast ndobva azoona kamwe kanzvimbo kakanyangara kwazvo ikoko kane tsvina kakasviba kachitaura kuti hanzi ndiko kakapuwa zita rekunzi Zimbabwe. So ndo nyaya vari kutaura kuti zvakandirwadza ndikaona kuti story yeZimbabwe inofanirwa kuchinja. Ndo nyaya yavauya nhasi vakatibatira muri Zimbabwe. Ameno kuti imimi munoionawo sei nyaya.